about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
So guys, I'm super excited because today's video is going to be a very easy one. Today's hair is from Nadula Hair and they did send over this wig to me. This wig is a 5x5 closure, I believe, and the beauty of this unit is that you can wear it completely glueless. You don't need any glue, any nothing. Like, you can literally just slap it on and go. I love a good wig that's easy. I don't like to do too much, and sometimes you're in a rush, you got somewhere to be, you can easily just pull this out and pop it on and you can go. So this is what the hair comes in. I did get a few free gifts. So this is our hair and it is a 14-inch. I will leave all the details about the hair in the description below. And this is our unit. As you can see, it is like literally ready to go. Look at that. That's how I know. Ooh, that's gonna look really, really good. These are the curls, super, super pretty. It is a 5x5 closure. We have our combs on the inside. We have the adjustable straps, and also we have this elastic band that will hold the unit on your head. So what I'm going to do is add the strap, put the unit on. I'm gonna cut the lace off in the back, and I will add some makeup to my part because I didn't bleach the knots. Further on, I will definitely bleach the knots because bleaching the knots definitely give you that vibe, but I'm still showing you how quick and easy this wig is. I will tighten the straps in the back because I didn't adjust the straps properly. So I'm going to definitely tighten this unit. I'm gonna go in and put my makeup so that it blends. But do you see how it looks already without anything much being on there? Like, it's already just like laying into the skin. So I'm going to just like customize her really quick, and then we're gonna get this show on the road. I'm even wondering if I can like pull it to the side and give me a little side part, but let's see. So I added my makeup under the hair and that's what it's looking like. I'm going to cut the lace off and then that's it. To be honest, I was going to change the part, but I feel like I'm going to keep the middle part. I will do like maybe a little hot comb action to get our part completely straight. So guys, these are the finished results and I'm super happy with it. What I'm even more happy and excited about is just how easy this was. There's no glues, there's no sprays on my head. Let's do a tug test. Like, baby, it's on, and I'm gonna do a shake test, okay? Like, let me do the shake test. It's still on. Like, the hair has not shifted. It has not moved. It's on my head. So don't think that because it is a glueless wig and you have nothing like holding the hair down that it'll fly. It will not. These straps that come in it are super amazing, as well as the adjustable band that comes as extra. I am utilizing both right now and it's pretty snug. It's not giving me a headache or anything. This hair is really, really, really convenient. If you have one of those days, hold on guys, because the shake test kind of messed me up. I did the shake test, as y'all saw. I had to go to the side and get myself together because maybe the hair was everywhere, but this is the finished results. I'm super in love with this unit. It is truly a glueless unit. As you can see, it is glueless and it is secured. No glue, no sprays, nothing at all. If you have like one of the days that you gotta be somewhere and you ain't got the time, you can pop her on, easy peasy. This wig can just be like popped on your way out while you're in the car getting to where you're getting to. Every girl needs a wig like this, especially if you know you're always busy and you don't always have the time to like go install hair. This is perfect. I'm gonna just like pop her off and put her back on so y'all can see what is going on. Like just like that, we're ready to go again. So easy. Guys, it's really that simple. Pop on, pop off, you're good to go. But yeah guys, if you like this hair, if you are in the business for a quick, convenient, easy wig that's like your go-to, you ride or die, definitely check this wig out. All the links will be in the description box below. I really enjoyed this unit because it didn't take much energy, much effort, and I'm all into ease. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to check out the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Shout outs to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. I love you guys and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.